Samsung is one of several major companies in South Korea that wants to create a crypto exchange. So the Cointelegraph, they pull it. South Korean financial majors want to create virtual asset exchange in 2023. Samsung Securities, Mirae Asset Securities, and Shinhan Financial Investment are among the financial heavyweights in talks with the government to create the exchange. According to local media, they say Samsung was researching how to open up an exchange last year, but supposedly they weren't able to hire anybody. It's also big news that Mirae Assets wants to come into they want to come into the scene. They also want to do NFT research, which is interesting. I'm sure Samsung would love to put crypto into their phones and get everybody trading through their own exchange and taking all the fees. The article says the security company's push to create the exchange coincides with preparations to pass the Digital Assets Framework Act, which will encompass both security-type tokens and non-security type tokens, and establish which domestic virtual assets belong in which category. It's quite good. Like in South Korea, you're going to have new legal clarification on how cryptocurrencies should be treated and regulated inside their market. It's interesting, 16 foreign base exchanges such as KuCoin, Polomex, and Phoenix were operating without the correct registration, and the South Korean government took action such as banning or blocking some of the websites from being accessed. The good news is, for at least for companies like Samsung, supposedly discussions are in the final stages. So we will probably see in the next year or 2 years Samsung operating their own crypto exchange, and I'm sure they will be pulling that onto every single mobile phone.